Hello everyone, welcome to the video, and hopefully this video is useful for your projects and whatever you may be doing. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and comment, and have a great day, and God bless you all. Bye.